Hello, my name is METİN. This is 164th part of explanation of my theory. But in short, maybe in philosophical language, we may underrated primitives. Who says primitives? I don't know. I'm primitive. We cannot underrated the American Indians say. One of my former videos, I have told you before, yes, respiration of the universe at subatomic level by means of electron motion forms, proton-bound electron motion forms. What do you know about life experiences? I have told you before, duality of realities. I have told you before, metaphysics of our subjective reality. Metaphysics of our physics. Animism. People say, yes, animism belongs to primitives. Universe may be alive. Don't forget this. I don't want to think inside of metaphysics space. You know, I have told you before, we can transcend this metaphysics. Perception is metaphysics. Sensation is metaphysics. Subjective reality is metaphysics. Yes. Metaphysics is part of us. Our universes are respiring. Proton-bound motion forms have respirations at subatomic level as emission-absorption lines. These absorption-emission lines of atoms, some indicators of that. And I have put forth theories about that mathematically, scientifically. Yes, I am primitive. I want to believe the American Indians, old Turks, or Africans, or original Indians from India. Yes, I want to believe, yes, all our universes have anima. Our universes are a liar. Perhaps we must think of these facts, on these facts again and again. Perhaps we have prejudices. Have a good afternoon. See you later.
Gel gel. Çekil de çiftler